In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a restaurant site on Squarespace 7.1. Start by going to Squarespace and choosing a template from the restaurants category. This is a good place to begin because those templates are already designed with restaurant websites in mind. They usually include layouts that work well for menus, reservations, and contact details, so you can save time and build on a structure that already fits your business. Once you find a design that matches the style you want, click Start with this design. That will open your site editor and take you into the setup process. From there, go to Website, then Pages, from your dashboard. This is where you will organize the main structure of your site. Next, click the plus icon to add your core pages. Create a home page, a menu page, a reservations page, and a contact page. These pages give visitors the essentials right away. The home page introduces the restaurant. The menu page shows what you offer. The reservations page helps people book quickly, and the contact page gives them a simple way to reach you or find your location. After that, go to your menu page and click Edit in the top left corner. This will let you customize the page content directly. Click Add Section and choose a pre-made menu layout section. Using a built-in menu section makes the page easier to format and helps present your food and drink offerings in a clean, organized way. It is also helpful for readability, especially if your menu includes multiple categories. Next, add a high-contrast button block to your top header menu. Link this button directly to your reservations page or your ordering page. This is an important detail because it gives visitors a clear action to take as soon as they land on the site. A button that stands out visually can help more people notice it right away, especially on mobile devices where quick navigation matters even more. When everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top left corner to publish your changes. It is always a good idea to quickly review each page before saving, just to make sure your navigation is clear and your most important links are easy to find. That covers everything you need to know.